Do you like it?
Today I'm gonna show you something. This, I make this. Yeah. Wait lang. Yan. Okay. Ano to? Ayan. Wait up guys. This is what I make. Just only one. This. Yeah. This is this is a person that name's Lily. Okay, I'll help you guys to know. This is Lily. It says Lily's home. Okay, let me see. Oh, ito. Okay, this. Okay, I'll read it to you. I am Lily. You can play with me. You can feed me. Maybe give me a bath. Everything. Get started. Okay. I don't have a bathtub or a kitchen. Okay. Only I'll make a bedroom. I'll make it. Mamaya. I'll make it later. Okay, this is a person. She's naked. Okay. I'm gonna get her this. This is her pajama. Okay, sorry about that guys. And this is her dress. Oh wait lang guys. And this is her school uniform. Okay, okay, I'll fit it her this. She's just gonna to the coat. Okay, this is her. This is her pajama. This is her dress. What do you want guys? Pajama or dress or uniform? You don't want none? Okay. Tomorrow I'm just gonna make this. Bye!